Hello, 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 hello. Oh my god, this is like the third time I'm recording this, man. I don't know what the hell's going on. This software, this microphone, everything's off. Listen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Uh, Bonjour, bonsoir, bienvenue, bienvenido. Yeah? Let's do a little Spanish. Bienvenido, Presidente Gustavo Petro. So, the Colombian president came to Haiti the 22nd of January. I think their flight was running a little bit behind schedule. Got into the country real late. Anyway, when he got when he got there later on that night, they had I'd say a speech that he gave to the population, the Haitian population, and the speech was in Spanish. I'm so confused. Why would you be coming into a country where they do not speak Spanish and there was no one there to translate, which is crazy. Anyway, he apologized for his country's involvement in President Jovenel Moïse's assassination. Like I've told you guys before, Colombia is one of those countries where, because of the rebels and the civil war they always have going on, it becomes a little bit easy if you need hired help in the region. Let's say you want to assassinate some people, you want to do a coup d'etat. This is where you would go to get a small little army, all right? So he comes, he apologizes. I think they're probably going to see if they can work out a deal to release these Colombian soldiers. But to be honest, when I'm looking at the Colombians, man, they don't look as stressed. They don't look as famished, as hungry, as they looked last year. I mean, they didn't look good last year, but to be honest, I can tell that there's been someone or some entity or something's going on where these people, these soldiers that are in the prisons, they're being taken care of. Someone's taking care of them. So Petro, he comes in, he talks about the relationship that we have between Haiti and Colombia. Actually, Haiti and that whole region, right? Since Simon Bolivar, he was the one that liberated Colombia, Grand Colombia, which was really a couple countries, that became one. After the independence, of course, these countries, they split up. So it was Colombia, it was Venezuela, it was Ecuador. Who else is up in that area? Peru. So that whole, I would say, northern part of South America. This is that's the whole area we helped liberate. And of course, after the liberation, they split up the countries. They had their first Latin American, South American summit. And of course, we were not invited. So, when they come and do all these photo ops and all this political stuff that's being talked, hey, I know diplomacy is important, and we don't want to close our doors to anyone that wants to visit or anyone that wants to invest and bring some money into the country. But let's watch whose money we take, and let's watch who we're allowing to come and integrate themselves into the republic, into the economy and everything like that. I want you to look at this, right? So one day I sent the money to Haiti. It was 6,376 goods. 2 days later, sent some money again, sent $50. It was 6,380 goods. So you see that's like a 5 good difference. Now 5 goods is equal to $1. So, if you're making about 1,000,000 goods a day in Haiti, you're making about $8,000 US per day. And can you imagine there are people making this kind of money in the country? One thing you have to realize when we're talking about businesses in Haiti, there are certain businesses which have gotten so huge because the country is like a monopoly board, you know? So you have these small groups who are splitting up the economy in the country, and anyone that comes in or that can become a threat to their business arrangement, they kill you, they get rid of you, and it happens all the time. I'm still waiting to see if the Trump administration is going to start attacking the people on top of the pyramid. Mm? You got people on top of the pyramid who some would say are not Haitian, right? And it's. I think when they say that, it's kind of like out of emotion, because if you're born on the island, if you're born in Haiti, obviously, you're Haitian, right? But what they're trying to say is you do have groups. You have groups in the country who like to separate themselves from the rest and really look at themselves as something very unique, something very special. Sadly, or maybe not sadly, maybe this is a great thing, I believe some of these individuals, some of these people, these groups making, millions and millions and really just for themselves, selfishness. I believe a lot of these groups are going to just become victims. They're going to become victims. I think sometimes that karma got to come back around. Now, I don't know who this guy is, man, but a lot of these YouTubers that's going to Haiti, filming the misery, making some good YouTube content, YouTube dollars. Do they really want the country to move forward? Do they really want the country to get better? Because you notice a lot of them, they get so much. They become more financially stable, successful, when they're showing all the bullshit that's going on in Haiti. Now, I know there's this new thing, right? I see people sending me the clips where we are promoting the beaches, We're promoting like the north, the castle, and Palais Sans Souci. We're promoting places like Jacmel. We talk about Bassin et Bleu. We talk about all these different, La Cour Souveraine and Latibonite, Gonaïve. There's so much places, there's so much tourist attractions in Haiti. There is a lot. And if the country is given the opportunity and tourists can start coming in, it's going to really benefit, the people. But for now, you got these type of individuals coming in and I think profiting off of all of the mess, all of the bullshit that's going on in the country. What do you think about Gustavo's visit? What do you think about the fact that you have certain groups in the country making millions of goods per day off of the misery, off of everything going on, man? Like, what do you think? How long is this going to continue to go on for? Even though it's been going on for so long, right? You can say it's been going on since the beginning of the country. And I don't have a problem with elites. Meaning, when we think about elitists, you find elites in every country. Elites, they're not it's not a bad thing to have elites, to have people with money in a country that's doing business, as long as they're doing it, in a righteous way. They're doing it in the right way. They're not doing it in just a real negative, sleazy. When we're looking at how terrible the economy is right now in Haiti, right? Why wouldn't, members of the elites, I'm talking about the top people in regards to finances, why would they not sit down and figure out a way to bring some kind of relief to the situation? Because if this thing implodes and explodes, it's not good for them. Is it? Is it good? I doubt it. voodoo, the spirituality, the voodoo. Let me tell you, all right, this is for both local, foreign, domestic, this is for everyone. Voodoo or any other type of spirituality, any type of occult, metaphysic spirituality that you don't understand, it works. It does work. But of course, many have asked why Haiti, with voodoo being as strong as it is, why is it that the poverty remains so high? Why is it like the violence from the street gangs and everything else that's going on? Why does it continue? Why don't we just do some voodoo and just make everything go away? Well, one of the main reasons is because for so long we've been doing voodoo on a more selfish, level. Because the way a lot of the mystic, a lot of the voodoo goes on in the country, it's all about, self, making money, trying to do this and do that, it's all about self. Very rarely the focus on the nation, the public, that doesn't happen, right? But once it does start to happen, you'll see a difference. Because everything going on in Haiti right now, it is spiritual, it is physical, it's a lot of mental things going on. I say this all the time. The people are having, they're being psychologically attacked left and right. And these psychological attacks are really causing more confusion, more confusion in the country. This guy here talking about garbage. I got one thing I would say in regards to garbage, in regards to the fact that we are polluting the ocean, we are polluting neighboring countries, their oceans, their beaches. I think if we get whoever the next president is, this is something they have to really focus on. The garbage. You used to have to buy a bottle or come with a bottle, a recycled bottle, so you can get your cola, your 7-Up, your Sprite. Well, now that everything is just plastic all over the place, they're just tossing it, First of all, the plastics, it not only is causing pollution, garbage all over, it's not good for your health. Cancer and everything. There's all types of new diseases coming about in the country because of shit like this. But you see how empty Haiti is. You see how empty it is. And they like it like that. Can you imagine these people that I'm talking to you about, these multi-rich, ultra oligarch, they actually enjoy the fact that only they are making the millions, right? So you have plenty of other business people in Haiti who are doing good business, right? Not all of the business people are corrupt. Not all of the politicians are corrupt. We have a few good ones, but the bad ones have so much money, so much power. It's like it overshadows everything else. Anyway, man, with the new Trump administration coming in, we already know about, this migrant immigration thing. We know how it is. But what I see going on for now, they've been arresting a lot of people that probably got caught up when they got over here. You got people that have been over here for 2-3 years, already got arrested, already got, a rap sheet. So they're going to get caught up in the system. So these are the first group of people that's being sent off. Sadly, they're going to start getting other people. They're going to be grabbing people, sending him off. This is the politics. This is what it is right now. The American population, for the most part, they want to remove a lot of the immigrants. So, hey, Trump got to do what he got to do. But this mass deportation, hopefully it helps out the situation in Haiti, where the government is going to be forced now to assist all these people coming in. Haiti, that has like a very, very huge young population, youth. I mean, all the youth has been leaving Haiti for the past couple of years. This is not a good thing. This is not a good thing for the country. So hopefully we can get that fixed, man. With the global food shortage, there's a global food shortage that's gonna attack also. So let's see if we can get prepared for that, man. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, share. Ayiti Organic, Ayiti Organic, Ayiti Organic.